Hi, I'm Emily England and welcome to Our Skate Life. I'm in sunny Richmond, London, and today I'm going to be teaching you a backwards pivot turn. I love this trick because it's quite sexy, it's cute, you can flirt. I use it a lot. I've used it in my solo performance pieces and I can't wait to teach you, so let's get rolling. So first things first, I'm going to show you what it should look like. Are you ready?
You kidding me, what? Oh, no.
So the first step to learning this pivot is we're going to put all our weight on our right toe stop. Our left leg is going to go in as much of a 90-degree angle, as possible. We're going to push out our left leg until it naturally starts turning. So we'll do that again. Right foot toe stop, left foot turns, pushes out until it naturally turns. The second step is, so once we're here, then we have to start pushing our left leg in an anti-clockwise direction with our inner thigh muscle until our circle gets smaller, that we can easily bring our feet back together. So I'll do it again in a little bit of a faster motion, but not as fast as it should be. Up. So that's your legs, and then you have to start including your arms. So we're going to have our arms at the side. When we do our step one, we want our arms to go to 180 degrees. So we're here, and as soon as we start pushing backwards with our left leg, our right arm is going to be lifted up straight into the air to finish our turn. So in motion, this is what it will look like. You don't have to lift your arms. If you want to make it original and a little bit flirty, you can have your arms on your hips and just bring one arm out and bring it to your hip so you can then move. But it's very important that in the beginning, on our first step, all the weight is on your left leg and you're just balancing on your right leg. But as you turn, you have to then switch your weight to your toe stop. Here. And then you take the weight on your right leg for the end, that your left leg can just meet your right foot. When you combine step one and step two with momentum, it will be a lot easier than doing them separately because it will just all flow together. So step one and step two. So I really enjoyed teaching you the backwards pivot turn today. It's super fun. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It helps us so much. And I can't wait to teach you more. I will be teaching you the forward turn pivot, the other side pivot, and all the pivots that are possible on skates.